10 reasons British food is better than people think. For decades, British food has carried an unfair reputation. Bland, beige, overcooked. That's the stereotype many people repeat without ever properly exploring the UK's culinary scene. But travel across England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, and a very different story emerges. Traditional recipes, regional pride, global influence and modern innovation have quietly reshaped British cuisine into something rich, diverse and genuinely exciting. From historic comfort dishes to refined fine dining, there's far more depth here than most people expect. Here are 10 reasons British food is better than people think, ranked properly from 10 to 1. 10. It has deep historical roots. British cuisine is built on centuries of culinary tradition. Medieval banquets featured spiced meats and elaborate pies. Tudor kitchens relied on herbs, imported spices and slow roasting techniques. By the 18th century, roast beef had become strongly associated with England. During the Industrial Revolution, hearty, filling meals were designed to fuel workers, shaping dishes that are still loved today. This history matters. British food wasn't created overnight or designed for trends. It evolved from farming practices, preservation techniques, and seasonal cooking. Long before refrigeration, curing, pickling, and baking were essential skills. Mustard, horseradish, and sharp chutneys were used to enhance flavour. Modern British chefs often revisit these traditional foundations, updating them with contemporary presentation and technique. When people dismiss British food as flavourless, they usually overlook the depth of heritage behind it. A cuisine shaped over hundreds of years rarely lacks character. 9. The Sunday roast is a masterclass in comfort. Few meals feel as complete as a traditional Sunday roast. Whether it's beef with Yorkshire puddings, roast chicken with stuffing, lamb with mint sauce, or pork with crackling, the structure remains beautifully consistent. Crisp roast potatoes, seasonal vegetables, and rich gravy tying everything together. The Sunday roast became firmly established in the 19th century and remains a cultural ritual across the UK. Families gather around tables and pubs fill up early to serve their weekly roasts. What makes it special is balance. Crunchy edges on potatoes, tender meat, sharp condiments cutting through richness. When prepared properly, it's anything but bland. It's hearty, structured, and satisfying. British comfort food at its finest. 8. British cheese is seriously underrated. The UK produces over 700 varieties of cheese and many rival Europe's finest. Cheddar originated in Somerset and is now one of the world's most popular cheeses. Stilton carries protected designation of origin status. Red Leicester, Lancashire, Wensleydale and Double Gloucester each bring distinct textures and flavours. Artisan cheesemakers continue to innovate, producing cloth-bound cheddars aged for years and creamy blues with complex profiles. Cornish yarg wrapped in nettles develops a subtle, earthy flavour. Britain's strong dairy farming tradition provides high-quality milk, which forms the backbone of this success. Pair mature cheddar with chutney and crusty bread, and it's clear British cheese alone challenges outdated stereotypes. 7. Pies are precision cooking. British pies are culinary engineering. Steak and ale pie, chicken and mushroom, pork pie sealed with jelly inside hot water crust pastry. Each demands technical skill. The pastry must hold structure while remaining flaky. The filling must be rich but not watery. Historically, pies served as practical preservation tools. Today, they're comfort food elevated. The Cornish pasty even holds protected geographical indication status, reflecting its regional heritage. Across Britain, bakeries and pubs take pride in golden crusts and deeply savoury fillings. Far from bland, these pies often feature slow-braised meats and herb-rich gravies. When executed well, they're masterpieces of texture and flavour. 6. Fish and chips is simple but brilliant. Since the 19th century, fish and chips has been one of Britain's most beloved takeaway meals. Fresh cod or haddock is dipped in batter and fried until crisp, served with thick-cut chips and malt vinegar. The magic lies in technique. Batter that shatters lightly, moist, flaky fish inside, chips fluffy within and golden outside. Add mushy peas or tartar sauce for contrast. It's proof that simplicity, done well, can be extraordinary. Coastal towns especially pride themselves on freshness. When prepared properly, fish and chips is clean, crisp, and deeply satisfying. 5. Regional diversity is massive. British food is not one-dimensional. Scotland offers haggis and Cullen skink. Wales is known for lamb and Welsh rarebit. Northern Ireland brings soda bread and hearty stews. England alone varies dramatically. Cornwall celebrates seafood and cream teas. Yorkshire champions puddings, and the Midlands is known for Balti-style curries. Geography shapes flavour. Coastal areas focus on seafood. Rural regions highlight beef and dairy. Upland areas emphasise lamb and game. This regional diversity means British cuisine cannot be boxed into a single stereotype. It shifts dramatically depending on where you are. 4. British desserts are comforting and indulgent. Sticky toffee pudding drenched in warm toffee sauce. Treacle tart with golden syrup filling. Victoria sponge layered with jam and cream. Eton mess blending strawberries, cream and meringue. British desserts focus on warmth and texture. Custard plays a central role, tying many puddings together. Bread and butter pudding transforms simple ingredients into something luxurious. These desserts developed in eras when hearty meals required equally hearty endings. Today they remain beloved staples in homes and restaurants alike. Anyone claiming British food lacks flavour hasn't tried a proper pudding. 3. Multicultural influence made it stronger. Modern British cuisine reflects global influence. South Asian cooking reshaped the UK's dining scene, with dishes like chicken tikka masala widely believed to have been popularised in Britain. Birmingham's Balti Triangle became famous for its distinctive curry style. Caribbean, Middle Eastern, Chinese and African cuisines also shaped the urban food landscape. London consistently ranks among the world's most diverse food cities. Rather than weakening British cuisine, these influences strengthened it. The result is a dynamic blend of tradition and innovation, one of the biggest reasons British food is better than people think. 2. The gastropub and fine dining revolution. The gastropub movement of the 1990s transformed pub food across the UK. Fresh ingredients, local sourcing, and skilled chefs replaced microwaved meals. Today, many pubs serve slow-braised meats, artisan Scotch eggs, and seasonal specials. At the same time, British chefs gained international recognition. The UK now boasts numerous Michelin-starred restaurants. London and Edinburgh attract global culinary praise. This range, from comforting pub classics to refined fine dining, demonstrates depth and adaptability. British cuisine reinvented itself. 1. It's driven by quality ingredients and seasonality. At the heart of great food lies great produce. Scotland is known for salmon, Wales for high-quality lamb, Cornwall for crab, England for asparagus and strawberries. Farmers' markets thrive across the country. Seasonal rhythms shape menus: asparagus in spring, berries in summer, game in autumn, root vegetables in winter. Dairy farming supports the cheese tradition that defines British cuisine. Modern chefs emphasise sustainability and farm-to-table sourcing. When ingredients are fresh and local, even simple recipes shine. That respect for produce is the strongest reason British food deserves more credit. British cuisine has evolved quietly, but confidently. Behind the stereotypes lies a food culture rich in history, regional diversity, and modern innovation. These 10 reasons British food is better than people think show that the UK's culinary identity is layered, comforting, and surprisingly refined. British food doesn't need defending, it simply needs to be tasted properly. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.